Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Today we have 2007 Nissan Sentra with a crazy problem. Nissan Sentra with no starting issue, like cranking no start. By the way, we have intelligent fuse box that is here. It's sitting like this, like IPDM. Some of them they have security, some of them they don't have security. Okay. We check all the terminal, we charge the battery, we put a new battery. This car is running now, as you see. But what we found is, when we come to diagnose this car, the security light here stay on. See, security light here, it stay on, never stay away. So we say, you know what, let us diagnose the car. When we look at the car, we diagnose it, we found those codes. P160. Okay. So when we try to diagnose this car correctly, we found this code that I just show you. Let me turn the key on. Okay. We found this information here. Let me show you. We found this codes, the code that you see here. P16, 10, 16, 12, 16, 14, 16, 15. Okay, normally you can use this tool here. Let me go back. I'm gonna clean all this code. They're gonna go away anyhow. Normally you can use this code, this computer here, and you go to immobilizer and you do the programming. When we do the programming, it doesn't work, like it failed. It say no communication with either the antenna, which you can see it here. This is the antenna that controls the key, or it could be engine computer is bad, or it could be the body control module. So I say, you know what, let me go in and check the body control module. Like, you need to go here. This is 2007 Sentra. Then I go inside. So what happened is, I went in here and I just checked, like, we want to register a key. If you try to register the key, it will clear all the keys, but I don't want to do that. What happened is, if you go there, it will read the BCM number for you, and you have to use this calculator to recalculate the BCM number and give you the pin code to program it. If you are using other tools, it doesn't require that. Like Hotel 608, it doesn't require that. Most of the tool, it will bypass the pin code. But because I use Hotel, I am not able to program this tool. So I use this one when it's coming to calculation. This is the original one that in the car, and the part number you see here, the what they call the BCM number is the AC Echo David 8. You see? This one. Not the 711. No, the number is the 7117. 711, no. The 5-digit number, ACED8. Sorry. It could be one of them, but the computer have the ability to read this number automatically. When I read it in this place here, let me show what I see. It giving me this number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It give me this number. When I calculate it, it give me 1330 or 1 something, and that's not okay. So I say, you know what? It look like it is not the engine computer that is bad. It look like the body code. You see here, it give me 0331. Even when I try to program it with this number, it doesn't go. So I realize that it is true that this car have immobilizer code and body control module is bad. So I order another one, and the location of this piece is here. Let me show you. You're coming here. Let me show you where you're gonna go. You're coming here, and you go all the way behind there. You see there? where is located? That box. Let me show you from here. That box there. I don't know if I can see it there or not. You see that box? You see my hand? You see with one screw. You take the screw out, you move it up, it come out, the connector is from the bottom. Let me see if I can get something from there. So you have the idea where it's located. We took that one, we put a new one, and as soon as we go to program, it take the programming correctly. Now the car is running and everything is fine, beautiful. Yes, we have the remote also, you have to program it again. Let me see if I can program the remote. But this is a whole problem. It come by tow truck. So now let me try to do something if I can program the remote. So remote, you're gonna do like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Kill the light. Yeah, now then turn it to accessory here only. Then push one of this. Yes, now it take the remote. So I'm gonna take this one out, or just start the car completely to come out of the programming. Now you can open it. BCM have to reset himself, then lock, unlock, lock, unlock. So now everything is working fine. So most of the time problems are there. Just be sure that to take your time and do your diagnosis. Thank you for watching. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video.